As a product reviewer, I'm always on the lookout for more ways to showcase whatever it is I'm reviewing. From the standpoint of budget and basic functionality, this motorized rotating display stand fits the bill for me. And here's why. The build is solid. It's compact yet can still handle larger items. The weight limit is 55 pounds, which frankly is a payload I won't ever exceed. The LED light is kind of a hit or miss. It shines up from the center and can be turned on or off. Mostly it'll be in the off position for me, but it might come in handy for, say, something I want to highlight that's made of glass, for instance. While the rotation can be set to turn clockwise or counterclockwise, it's a fixed speed, so you're kind of stuck with that. It's powered via the supplied USB-C cable and wall charger. Overall, it does its job well, which is to spin stuff around in a consistent, predictable manner. If you're a creator or an e-commerce seller, it's a useful tool to add to your kit. Would I recommend this? Yes, I think I would.